Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights video tutorials. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to make vermicelli, or as we know it, Geskroeide Vermicelli. So first of all, you're going to use a big deep pot, melt 100 gram butter in it. So you can make half of this recipe or the full recipe. The results will still be the same. We'll make the full packet and then keep the rest for the next day as well. Saves you from cooking. And then you're going to add 2 stick cinnamons. And 5 cardamom pods. Okay, you're going to leave until the butter is completely melted. So the reason you're putting your stick cinnamon and cardamoms in while the butter is melting is just for the extra flavor to develop, for the flavor of the whole spices to come out. And then you're going to take 1 packet, it's about 250 gram vermicelli. You're going to break it up into pieces and break it into small pieces. So you can use loction as well, but vermicelli is more cost effective and cheaper than loction. I think the vermicelli is like less than 10 rand a packet. I'm not sure the price of loction at today. And then you're going to move it around until it's brown. Your vermicelli is brown all over. You don't want it to cook too quickly because it will burn. That's why you have to move it around with a spoon. And as it becomes more browner, you add your 1 cup of water, 50 gram sugar, 50 gram raisins or sultanas, and then just stir it all together. I know a lot of people don't like raisins or sultanas. You can leave that out. And 50 gram sugar is about 1/4 cup, but it's according to your preference. If you like it sweeter, you can add more sugar. And 50 grams is about a handful of almonds. That is optional as well. Sometimes I add pistachios in mine as well. That is if I have it at home. So then you're going to add another cup of water and leave it to steam until the vermicelli is soft. It will take about 15 minutes. And there you have it, your Geskroeide vermicelli in less than 20 minutes, I would say. And we normally serve this vermicelli with vanilla ice cream, or you can have it on your own. It's very traditional to serve during Ramadan, and it's a very popular dessert as well. So I hope you're going to try my recipe sometime, and do let me know what you think of it. This is Salwa of Cape Malay Cooking.